Financial records of U.S. high-tech companies caused a decline in Wall Street. The U.S. dollar index is drifting lower and the Canadian dollar is regaining footing. As well, Bitcoin is trading lower. Futures on the U.S. stock indexes are trading in the red today because U.S. high-tech giants published a downbeat forecast for the final months of the year. Apple reported on a decline in iPhone sales and a 29% contraction in its revenue in China. Besides, investors are discouraged about Amazon's weak outlook for operating income. As a result, the stocks of the internet retailer tumbled 1.4%. Twitter unveiled information about the ebb in numbers of users. In this context, its shares plummeted 14.2%. Alphabet, Google's parent company, is the only one to please investors with the good news. Yesterday, Alphabet reported that its sales had rebounded in the third quarter, thus luring back advertisers. The stock surged by 7% in response. Futures on the Dow Jones slipped 0.67%. Futures on the S&P 500 are 0.58% down. And Nasdaq fell 0.8%. Pessimism among Wall Street investors is triggered by record-high daily numbers of new coronavirus cases in the world, as well as uncertainty about the outcome of the U.S. presidential election. Investors are alarmed by rampant infection rates in the United States and Europe. Yesterday, the U.S. reported a new record in confirmed cases, almost 90,000. So the United States is on a track to the rate of 100,000 daily cases. Meanwhile, investors are pricing in negative scenarios and locking in profits. Political jitters are also casting a shadow over market sentiment. Today, the U.S. dollar index edged down 0.07% against six major rivals to trade at near 93.70. Investors are trading cautiously on the final day on the week and October. The Canadian dollar has strengthened to 1.3290 against its American rival today. And according to CoinMarketCap, computing a median Bitcoin price based on the data from over 20 crypto exchanges, the number one cryptocurrency shed 0.43% to trade at $13,184 per token. Bitcoin accounts for 63.1% of the trade volume in the global crypto market. Next week, the market will find out who will be elected head of the White House: Democrats led by Joe Biden or Republicans with Donald Trump at the helm. As it happens historically, emerging markets boom under Democratic presidents in the United States. This year, emerging markets went into a tailspin, so they are interested in the victory of Joe Biden. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you on Monday. We wish you a nice weekend.